you can manage the entire life cycle of your assets. Thanks to the extensive features and use cases of UniFi, the platform connects all relevant departments in your organization to fulfill and potentially automate every step involved in your asset management. Your operational teams can manage and automate tasks such as cost-benefit analysis, budget allocation, approval of proposals or projects, and asset registration for procurement. Your procurement department can manage and automate tasks such as purchase requisition, budget checks, purchase orders, receipting, and invoicing. Your project managers can monitor timelines, costs, and evaluate projects from the comfort of one platform. Your finance department can update the registered assets and asset capitalization, such as commission and depreciation. Your engineers and maintenance teams can make assessments on assets, get automated alerts, and schedule corrective and preventative maintenance. UniFi provides real-time intelligence and visibility into asset performance and maintenance operations to ensure everything is running smoothly. At this stage, if the asset needs to be disposed of, the workflow will reset back to the planning process. In the final stage of the workflow, we have stock control, which would be managed by your inventory or warehouse team. Here, they can manage everything such as stock issue, transfer, stock take, and receipt. This workflow is just one example of what UniFi can do. Everything you've seen so far can be automated and customized to suit the specific needs of your organization. You can create any workflow from scratch to meet your unique needs. You'll also be happy to know there's no need for any third-party systems or add-ons. So, what's included with UniFi? EAM is one use case within the unified platform. There are limitless use cases and applications for UniFi. The list on screen is just a small example. UniFi EAM includes 5 app groups: inventory management, project management, purchase management, budgeting and planning, and work management. These are all tied together with next-gen business intelligence dashboards and automated asset monitoring to provide a comprehensive solution for your EAM needs. UniFi comes with powerful middleware to enable you to integrate with the other systems you use to manage your business. You can push, pull, and convert data from any system, giving you a single source of truth in one platform. You can choose the single source of truth for your data. The UniFi Data Connector allows you to collect real-time data from your existing IoT sensor modules. Alternatively, we have a partnership with an IoT sensor module manufacturer, and we can bundle sensors into your EAM project for you. If you want to lower capital expenditure, decrease downtime, and take a proactive, data-driven approach to asset management, UniFi is the platform of choice. Get your free demo today and join the thousands of users that entrust UniFi to improve their processes.